Embrace AI. Empower your copywriting skills and thrive. Using AI as a collaborator and amplification tool to elevate your copywriting skills and output. In an era where technological advancements are transforming various industries, the realm of copywriting is no exception. Artificial intelligence (AI) has emerged as a valuable collaborator and amplification tool, revolutionizing the way copywriters approach their craft. Rather than seeing AI as a threat to their profession, savvy copywriters are embracing it to enhance their skills and improve their output. A collaborative partner for creativity. Idea generation and brainstorming. AI is a powerhouse for generating ideas and brainstorming. It can quickly provide a plethora of concepts based on a given topic or theme. Copywriters can utilize AI-generated ideas to fuel their creativity and expand their imaginative horizons during the ideation phase of a project. Enhanced drafting and structuring. AI can assist in drafting initial content and organizing thoughts. It can propose a basic structure for the copy, which can be further refined and enriched by the copywriter's creative touch. This collaboration between AI and the copywriter ensures a well-structured and compelling narrative. Efficient research. AI tools can efficiently conduct in-depth research on a specific topic, delivering valuable data, statistics, and trends. This enables copywriters to save time on research and focus more on crafting impactful content with accurate and up-to-date information. AI, an amplification tool for efficiency. Grammar and proofreading. AI-powered tools can swiftly proofread and correct grammar and spelling errors, providing a polished version of the copy. This functionality allows copywriters to allocate more time to higher-level editing and crafting engaging messages. A/B testing and optimization. AI can analyze A/B testing results and customer behavior, helping copywriters optimize their copy for better performance. By leveraging AI-generated insights, copywriters can tailor their messaging to specific audience preferences, enhancing engagement and conversions. Personalization and tailoring. Understanding the audience is key to effective copywriting. AI tools can provide valuable insights into audience preferences and behaviors, enabling copywriters to tailor their messaging for different target segments. Personalized copy resonates better with the audience, driving stronger connections and conversions. Language localization. With businesses reaching global audiences, AI can assist in translating and localizing copy for different markets and languages. This ensures that the messaging is culturally relevant and resonates with diverse audiences, amplifying the impact of the copy. Harnessing the power of collaboration. By viewing AI as a collaborator rather than a replacement, copywriters can harness the power of technology to elevate their craft. AI complements the creative expertise of copywriters, providing them with valuable tools to streamline processes, enhance productivity, and deliver outstanding results. As with any tool, mastering AI requires understanding its capabilities and limitations. Copywriters should invest time in learning how to effectively integrate AI into their workflow, ensuring a harmonious collaboration that leverages the strengths of both human creativity and AI-powered assistance. In conclusion, the future of copywriting lies in a symbiotic relationship between human ingenuity and AI capabilities. By embracing this collaboration and utilizing AI as an amplification tool, copywriters can unlock new levels of creativity, efficiency, and success in the ever-evolving landscape of copywriting.